absolutely a great product, one that I just purchased because it's an amazing price today. I really did. I can show you the receipt. It's an amazing price, and this is the way that you have reusable bags, whether it's marinating, whether it's storing, whether it's traveling, whether it's just organizing. Ecolution brings us 8 pieces of their reusable, multicolor, stand-up food storage bags, and the clearance price, $12.99, brings home all 8 of them. This is the wonderful Mark Charles Maselli. He is here with us.
Amazing deal.
It's an amazing deal
today.
I'm going to show you what you get here because all 10 of them, or excuse me, all 8 of them are lined up right here for you. And the 5 easy payments, they do go away at the end of this show. So if you want an easy payment of $2.60, today is the day to do it.
My coffee costs more.
Show. I know. It's amazing. Okay, you're going to get 2 large gallon bags. Mark Charles was telling me, reminding me, 2 bottles of wine will fit in there.
I got one to prove it to you.
We'll show you when we come back in just a second. You're going to get 2 half-gallon bags. They have the green top, so you don't choose the colors. The top color just coordinates with the size. So gallon is this nice blue. The green is for the half-gallon. And then because you're going to be using the quart bags most often, most frequently, you get 4 of these quart bags. So let's show you all that can be done here.
So it's food grade safe, right? So it's BPA free. All foods can go in here. Raw, cooked, leftovers. It's freezer safe. It's refrigerator safe. We just ask you to hand wash it out and air dry it, like on your dish rack, and use it over and over again. It's got a complete seal on it, and the seal is completely waterproof. So I did a whole can of black olives and the sauce. Look, the juice, the liquid, the liquid, not coming out. Look at that. And what I love is when I'm going to put this here. How many times could you have a bag that you put a whole can of olives with the sauce juice, I keep saying sauce, and it's standing up? That's what I love. So now you can stand up in the freezer, stand up in the fridge. By the way, they're good for pantry. Over here, this is a 5-pound bag of flour. So when I buy that paper bag, which by the way, you will get bugs in it if you don't close it right. So just buy this set for the sugar, baked goods, and all that right away. This is how great. And now I can line this up like soldiers in my pantry. You see how much you have, you grab it, and you go, and you got a 5-pound bag.
Okay, and 200 orders have been picked up. A lot of you are picking up more than 1 because this is an amazing clearance price for 8 of them. Now 400 orders have been placed. Gorgeous capacity for these, that leak-proof capability. There's no reorder here. We are at final quantity. So now is the time if you want to pick up a set or 2 or 3, do it, because originally $20 for 8, now today $12.99, an easy pay of $2.60.
So excited Rachel bought it.
I bought it because it works out to $1.62 per bag, and I never have to go buy the bags again and again that I just throw out.
And so you're doing a little green thing. This is your green version. Here in the video, you'll see it. It's standing up so you can easily load it. You can there's the hand washing I was talking about, and just putting it inside the dish train to dry it. Remember, this works with dry goods, wet, raw, cooked, leftovers, in the fridge, in the freezer, in the pantry. There they are all lined up on the side, which I love because you'll get more capacity out of your refrigerator. By the way, we have one right here.
Oh, let's see.
Can we take a walk over?
Yeah, of course.
So just to show you that we have a fridge set up with a set of it. But look, so like it's all lined up, which I love because now I can go in here and say, oh, let me just grab this out. And these are all radishes. These are small guys that'll roll over.
And also, like, look at this, right? That's all spread out. But if you just place everything side by side,
and that's a lot of veg and a lot of fruit. Look at that. Look at that. And they're like little soldiers, which I love. And then down here, I have in the freezer, if you buy it for anything, the freezer's key. Why? Think of the things like the frozen peas, the frozen carrots. How many little frozen peas are hanging around inside of your freezer right now? Because they don't come in resealable bags. If you put all those frozen foods in here, maybe your pot stickers can go in here, your gourmet pot stickers that are down there, and your wings from Corky's that are down there.
Okay,
so,
please
this is great for the freezer.
It's so great. Use QVC.com or your mobile app because we are very busy. No reorders. We have fewer than 7,000 sets to go around. It's final quantity. 600 people are on the line. 33,000 of you are on QVC.com. The 5 easy pays go away at the end of this show. Let me remind you what you're getting in this 8-piece set. Even if you just use this beautiful gallon size 2, 3, 4 times, you've paid for it yourself. Because $12.99 brings home 2 gallon-size bags, They stand up just like all the other ones do. They're reusable. You get 2 half-gallons. Those have the green top. And then the purple top are going to be your quart bags. You get 4 of those. Perfect for lunches, perfect for
they fit
travel.
sandwiches. They fit cold cuts, cookies, snacks. Now, let's go beyond, right?
Yep.
When you're going through TSA and you're traveling, how about putting all your makeup in here, your medications or your creams and stuff? You can fit them in here and they can see through them and they can stand up. So it's great to organize inside your handbag or your carry-on. Another thing, phone. If you are going to the beach, you're going to the pool, you want to protect it. Yes. Remember, this is leak-proof. So now no water's going inside, no liquid's coming out, so you protect that. When you're traveling, when you travel, I put the wine bottle for a reason, because when I travel in your suitcase, you don't know if this might break, okay? You're taking a risk if you're going to bring maybe wine from the place you're going to or you could put 2 back here. If they do break, the beauty is all the liquid will stay inside of here because it's leak-proof.
Because let's turn this again, because this really,
here, let me do that. And I'm going to do a live one for you as well.
Yes.
So while we're showing that those again, what I love is that this can be on the counter and I can take a whole can of peaches. Look, it's standing up on its own, which you cannot do in there. And you know that once you open up a can, you can't reseal it. What do? So why don't you take the remnants of the can and the food you didn't eat and put it inside of here? And again, it's like that old zipper lock that we love. And I always do it twice, and now you've got a complete leak-proof. And it stands up on its side, too. I mean, that's not the point, but that's just to show you this.
Okay, fewer than 5,000 now to go around, 800 people on the phone lines. 1,200 of you have ordered more than one here, which is a great idea. An easy pay of $2 and change, but that easy pay does go away at the end of the show. So bring this one home, a fantastic option. I was marinating salmon last night. I made a really nice honey and soy salmon, and I put it into a hard container, and then I had to sort of like rearrange in my fridge to make room to let it sit and marinate. This is what I needed. That's part of why I just bought this.
I've got 4 chicken breasts in there marinating overnight. Look how little space that is. I can see it. It's not buried in the fridge. I didn't have to move anything around. Remember the gallon size? We talk about wine. We talk about a quarter of a whole watermelon standing up on its side. Or if you want to do a whole bunch of romaine lettuce, look at how much romaine lettuce, 3 heads will fit in there. So these are nice size portions that are really for everyday life, right?
And look at the marinating, because when I marinated in the rectangle last night, right, the fish was sitting above the marinade.
Got it.
Now, because I can kind of use the vertical space, the marinade is covering all pieces of this chicken.
And she didn't have to fill the whole bag, like what you would in the hard container.
Exactly. I'd have to fill up more marinade.
Maybe even use more marinade than you really do because you're trying to cover the protein, which is a great point.
Yeah. We are half gone.
Great point.
We started with 8,700. We have 3,800 remaining, way more than half gone. Look at the capacity.
Look at the capacity. Look, I shoved as many citruses like we could in there.
I think you could fit maybe one more.
Wait, one more. And then, of course, those baby carrots. Literally anything dry, frozen, refrigerator, liquid, marinade, you name it, it will go in there. And it also works on your phone. And wet bathing suits when you go on vacation. And you go to the pool the last minute, put the wet bathing suit in there and pack it in the suitcase.
You get 2 gallon, 2 half-gallon, and 4 quart bags. We started with 8,700, final 3,000.
That's because Rachel got on the horn first.
I ordered it before.
She looked at the price. She goes, I'm ordering it.
I'm ordering it. This is an amazing price.
She really did order, I swear. I swear.
I really did. All right, Mark Charles, we're going to see you a little bit later on.
No, I'm in for the day.
This is it?
I got one and done with just Rachel.
Amazing. I'm honored. Thank you so much.
Thanks, friends.
All right, my friends, let's check back in with David. He's got a really great item right now.
We have beef Wellington